Essential life hacks for DIY enthusiasts. Living spaces can quickly become cluttered. Discover how to reclaim your space with savvy storage solutions. Learn how the simple addition of adhesive hooks can make your vertical space work for you. Easy to install shelving can efficiently hold tools, supplies, and more, leaving your workspace neat and tidy. Small items can create big messes. Embrace the power of magnetic strips to organize metal tools and utensils. Attach these strips to walls for quick, visual access to everything from wrenches to kitchen knives. Simplify your search and save precious time on your DIY projects. Home repairs don't always require a professional. Discover the power of everyday items in solving common issues. A humble rubber band can become a gripper for stripped screws, making removal or tightening a breeze. Transform a task that seems daunting into a simple fix with easy hacks. Plumbing problems? Focus on using kitchen supplies like white vinegar and baking soda to tackle clogged drains. These items create a fizzing reaction that dislodges blockages naturally. Avoid harsh chemicals and costly plumber fees with a DIY solution that's effective and eco-friendly. Time is valuable. Boosting workflow with simple tricks can make a world of difference in your DIY ventures. Use muffin tins or ice cube trays to hold small parts like nails, screws, and nuts. This not only organizes them but also ensures you have what you need at your fingertips. Light up your workspace with creative lighting hacks. LED strip lights are inexpensive and easy to install, offering ample illumination for detailed tasks. Enhance your visibility without the need for bulky fixtures or excessive wires, ensuring precision in your projects. Upcycle everyday household items for innovative uses. Got old magazines? Transform them into colorful mats or stylish coasters with some folding and glue. Unleash creativity while crafting unique pieces that add charm and character to your home. Plastic bottles typically end up in recycling bins, but they can become DIY gems. Cut them into strips to fashion plant holders or tool organizers. Tap into your resourcefulness, reduce waste, and enhance your home's functionality with clever, reusable creations. Tool maintenance doesn't have to be a chore. Extend the life of your implements with straightforward hacks. Use olive oil or beeswax to keep rust at bay, applying a thin layer to metal surfaces. Protect your investment while ensuring tools remain in prime condition for future projects. A magnet can be your best friend when it comes to cleanup. Attach one to the base of your hammer or drill to collect metal shavings and stray nails. This simple addition makes clearing debris effortless, speeding up your process and keeping your workspace safe. The journey to mastering DIY projects starts with building skills. Online tutorials are an invaluable resource. Expand your knowledge base and explore new techniques at your own pace, building confidence in tasks from woodworking to electronics. Engage with other DIY enthusiasts online. Sharing experiences and tips enriches your understanding and inspires new ideas. Join forums or social media groups dedicated to DIY topics and become part of a community that values innovation and resourcefulness. Incorporate these life hacks to unlock new levels of creativity and efficiency in your projects. Reimagine how you approach everyday challenges, turning obstacles into opportunities. Start applying these hacks today to revolutionize your DIY endeavors. Take the first step towards mastering these hacks. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content and never miss out on the latest innovative strategies. Share your triumphs with us and inspire others by joining our growing community of DIY enthusiasts committed to turning ideas into reality.